This equation represents two parallel lines. They are not passing through the origin. Parallel lines, x coefficients, y coefficients are equal, differ by a constant only. Next, find the distance between the parallel lines. Given two formulas. First we calculate what is the relation between A, B, C, F, G, H, L, M, N1 and N2. So these two are the two lines represent this equation. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c identically equal to lx plus my plus n1 lx plus my plus n2. Multiply these two brackets first with this one, l square x square lm xy l n2 x. Multiply with this one, lm xy m square y square m n2 y. Multiply with the constant l n2 x m l1 m n1 l x n1 m n1 y plus n1 n2. Write in the same order. Same order means x square xy y square x y constant. Only one x square term. xy terms are 2. 2 lm xy. Y square term 1 m square y square. Next x terms. This is one x term, this is another x term. Take x common. ln1 plus ln2 into x. Similarly, y values m n1 m n2 into y. Constant only one, n1 n2. So first x square term, xy term, y square term, x term, y term constant. Equating the coefficients on both sides. X square coefficient l square, this side a. So we get l square equal to a. 2lm equating coefficients on both sides. We get l square equal to a, lm equal to 2 cancel, lm equal to h, m square equal to b. Next, x coefficients 2g equal to, take L common, n1 plus n2. This implies n1 plus n2 equal to 2g by L. Similarly, equating the y coefficients, 2f, take m common, n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2 equal to 2f by m, into m becomes to by m, n1 n2 equal to c. So these are the relation between L, M, N, A, B, C, F, G, H. Next, given three conditions. First, prove that H square equal to AB, AF square equal to BG square. First, prove that these two. See, H square LM, H value LM, H square LM whole square, L square M square, L square value A, M square value B. So H square equal to AB. Next, we prove this one. This is equation number 3, equation number 4. From 3 and 4, 2g by L equal to 2f by m. Both sides 2 cancel. Take cross multiplication, m g equal to LF. Squaring on both sides, L square F square equal to m square g square. L square value A, m square value B. So A F square equal to B G square. This condition is also over. Next, find a distance between the parallel lines. Given two formulas, G square minus AC by A into A plus B, F square minus BC by B into A plus B. Given two formulas. Distance between the parallel lines, modulus of C1 minus C2 by under root A square plus B square under root A square plus B square. We know N1 plus N2 value. There is a N1 minus N2. So write this one as a under root N1 plus N2 whole square minus 4 N1 N2 by under root A plus B. L square value A, M square value B. This A plus B is this one. Suppose given this answer, replace N1 plus N2 with 2G by L. Suppose given this answer, replace same N1 N2 with this one. కాబట్టి మనం అక్కడ ఫార్ములాను బట్టి N1 plus N2 చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. జీలో ఇచ్చానుకోండి ఇది అప్లై చేస్తాం, ఎఫ్లో ఇచ్చానుకోండి ఇది అప్లై చేస్తాం. సో అండర్ రూట్ n1 plus n2 4g square by l square minus n1 n2 value c by under root a plus b. Take 4 common, 2 into under root. This is a plus b. Take l square common. Take l square LCM. 4 is common term. G square minus l square c. L square value a. So 2 into under root g square minus AC by a into a plus b. A into a plus b. Distance between the parallel lines C1 minus C2 by under root a square plus b square. A minus b. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. n1 plus n2 replace with 2g by l. 2g by l whole square 4 n1 n2 value c by a plus b. Take l square LCM. L square LCM. Take L square LCM. L square into C. L square value A. So G square minus AC by A into A plus B. Suppose given this answer. Suppose given second answer. Same calculation. Under root n1 plus n2 replace with this one 4 f square by m square minus 4c by under root a plus b. Take 4 common, 2 into under root a plus b. M square LCM. F square minus C M square. M square value B. So 2 into under root F square minus BC by B into A plus B. A ప్లస్ బి. కాబట్టి మన జీలో ఫార్ములా ఇస్తేనేమో ఇక్కడ కామన్, జీలో ఫార్ములా ఇస్తేనేమో n1 ప్లస్ n2 రీప్లేస్ విత్ 2g బై l. అదే f లో ఇస్తేనేమో సేమ్ n1 ప్లస్ n2 రీప్లేస్ విత్ 2f బై m. l స్క్వేర్ LCM, m స్క్వేర్ LCM. So L square into C, M square into C, M square value B, L square value A. So 2 into G square minus AC by A into A plus B. 2 into F square minus BC by B into A plus B. This is very important problem in a public point of view. This is very important problem.